Welcome to Mac Attack's guide for installing Barricade Builder version 5.1. It's very simple. Go to Google, type in Left 4 Dead mods. The first result. Go to Downloads, Mods, Scripts Plugins, and it's the very first one, Barricade Builder version 5. Click the download button. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to do it, but you would. It's a RAR file, so you'll need either WinRAR or I use iZAR, which is a free alternative. Supports a lot of different versions. Open up the README file and the README file and follow the on-screen installation. Basically, go to your Left 4 Dead folder, which is under Steam. It's in Program Files, Steam, then Steam Apps, Common, Left 4 Dead, Left 4 Dead again, and then the scripts folder. And in there you will drag the radial menu .txt. I already did that, but if I were you, I would back up your original. Just when you're on that screen, type in rad, R-A-D, and then it'll bring you right to it. Just add a .org to the end, and then drag in your new one. I already have it in here. Doesn't really matter what I hit, but. And then for the rotate mod, you've got to go to the CFG folder instead of the scripts. Just back up one, go to CFG, and drag it in. Again, I already have it in here, so I'm not going to do it. Then, once that's done, you have to follow these keybinds. Just basically go in game and type in bind the key and then in parentheses these commands. I'll start the game and give you a little example of what it can do. If I can find Steam. There it is. Alright, once you're in game, you can go single player is the easiest. Just random game, start it up. Now I have a second computer in my room, so I'm going to be using this one to look at the binds. But if I were you, I would print off that README file or copy it down or something and do it that way. My computer's a little slow, just give it a minute. It's really slow. I'll jump ahead in a sec. Alright. Now we are in game. And once you're in game, you have to enable SV cheats and make it 1. And then you can do whatever you want. My personal favorite is to enable no clip but bind it to a key. Bind G. So now whenever I hit G, I can fly around the map as I please. And hit it again and you're back to normal. Also, I'll give you an example of how to bind those other keys. Go to the console by hitting the tilde, which is left of the 1. Type in bind, whatever key you want. I use 6 to 0. They're all free, not bound to anything else. So bind, I think I have 0 as int remove, and then I can move whatever I put in. Also Bill. And another example of one of the things, bind 9 as mouse menu barricade builder. No space. And 5-1. Now that's bound. I can build all this sort of crap. I can build a little fence, keep zombies away from me, and that's it. If you need any help, feel free to contact me. I'm on the forums, Mac Attack.